You gonna catch fish?
If you put me on them.
Is that how it works?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do the best I can. Can you cast though? I seen you off the dock.
Can I cast?
Cleaner, but we
Bishop, we were in this spot and we would just every cast catch one. We caught around 100 fish that day.
Nice.
Around 100 fish, and it was awesome.
And then we went out and we're trying to catch some more, and Bud was casting, you know, and all of a sudden he hooked into something, and we just thought it was a slot drum or whatever. So he immediately hands the rod to Larken, and Larken fought it for a little bit and ended up being like a 43-inch bull drum.
Good.
And so when I applied for the citation, since Bud hooked it up, I put the first name as Bud, and since Larken landed, I put it Letchworth. So we got a Bud Letchworth citation. Fish on.
There we go. Probably a good idea to get the net out.
Holy crap! That thing's huge.
Keep it on. I'll bring the net eventually.
That thing's humongous.
It's a good one.
It's a nice one.
I've never seen one bigger.
Well, that is good.
It might have just beat your record.
There we go.
Step over.
Dang. That's awesome.
Content.
Oh, I'm gonna get some pictures on my phone.
Can you get some photos?
Yep.
Good.
Sure can.
Man, that's a nice one, Larken.
Yeah.
Mine's starting to do that way. Larken, you want to see what one feels like in case you don't get one today? That's a striped bass, okay?
There we go. Skunk off the boat, fellas.
Skunk's off the boat.
Alright, now
So
it's my
this is where Larken's like, hey, can I use that rod?
You twitching at all? Or straight retrieving? How fast do you think I need to go?
Like you're doing's good. And then, oh.
That's a big. It ain't a bad one too, I just thought.
Yeah, buddy, they're in there. So you keep, I just threw that right in the middle of those trees.
So I'm on right there.
I think so. Keep casting.
That's a big fish.
Nice one. If it falls off, it'll be fine. Here, you're right there. Let's go get her in there. Oh. Nice. I got you. Keep fishing. Keep on fishing, buddy. Got one?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Don't feel like it? Okay. You want to flip him up?
Yes!
break off and me get smacked right in the damn lip.
Hey, somebody get the net on this.
You think you need a net on that one?
I need a net.
Oh, he got a nice one finally. I got you.
I got you.
You got it? Nice, Lark. That one's got an injury. Lord mercy, look at that thing. No wonder you finally caught. That was a net injury, huh?
He's going zombie. Yeah, that's from the gill net.
Thank you, dude.
Yeah, man.
That was fun to get out on the water.
That was fun. A lot of guys just say, all right, my boat, my music.
Oh, no. I don't
Not you. Not you. Not you.
mind that.
Alright, so that's a wrap for the day. We caught some bass, and let's hope that we catch some the next time we go fishing. See ya.